I'm working on a new bracket for my action camera to go on here, so that I don't have to have my fluffy dead cat, as I call it. I'm going to try and make it more focused just on where the microphone is. That's the theory. I'm quite surprised this actually was still in place, because that's very easy for that to get knocked over as it's printing. But with this glass bed, it does seem to grip very well while it's warm, and then when it gets cold you can just lift it off as easily as that. Anyway, this is an attachment for my hat camera new camera mount. The idea is I can cover this with fur, sound deadening material, and clip it onto the side of the mount. That's the theory. Right. One of the problems with filming projects over several days, I forget where I was up to with the last video, or the last video clip. Hat camera, new camera mount, 3D printed. Wasn't happy with the alignment for the microphone and the USB socket, which is under there. I need to cut that area out. If I cut that area out, then I have problems fitting the dead cat, which in this case is a troll or something that I'm going to use. So I've come up with a new idea. I've got this piece that's going to clip on the outside here, and then this will be glued onto there. Cut all that area out so we've got access to the USB port and that sort of thing. If I just ease that out, you'll see what I'm talking about. Oh, didn't mean to turn it on then. Yeah, memory card, USB and HDMI port, which I never ever use. So that in effect will be over there, and the three little holes there, there's tiny little holes there, that's where the microphone's sitting behind there. That'll be over there, that'll be over the outside of there. But the advantage of doing it this way round is I can have a big hole there, so I can just unclip that, and then I can plug my USB in there or pull the memory card out. So that fits in there. That is going to fit over there if I'm lucky. Oh, look at that. Lovely. Put myself a little finger clip on the side of it so I can actually lever it off again. Oh yeah, when I put my finger on there I turned the camera on. That's why it was on. Turn it off again, yeah. So that's where we're up to with this design. So I'll cut this and just glue it over the outside here. I was very tempted to try and leave the smiley face on it, but he gets in the way of the camera. So there we are. Obviously I'd have preferred it if it was black fur, but I can live with blue. Some of the other colours were a bit bright. I've trimmed it a little bit. So now we can just clip that off. And you can see I've opened that hole up quite a bit so we can get to the memory card, and we get to the USB, we can get to the HDMI. It's probably sort of overkill for what I actually need, but I like that. The only way we'll know if it works is to try it out on a windy day. See where the wind goes. Because I am aware just wind blowing over it, because the microphone's embedded within it, it will still get some wind noise on it, but we won't get it blowing directly into the little aperture. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.